Polyvagal theory was first presented in October of 1994 as my presidential address to the Society of Psychophysiological Research. A printed version was published in 1995 that was followed by several publications refining the theory and expanding its application. The theory was presented as an integrated model, encompassing my research excursions over several decades into a variety of disciplines. Example: neonatology, anesthesiology, neurophysiology, psychophysiology, autism, developmental disabilities, prematurity, signal processing, human factors, ergonomics, child development, education, psychiatry, substance abuse, etc. As I developed my presidential address, I became immersed in the literature of several disciplines and literally explored all things vagal. As I read the literature, I attempted to integrate disparate information obtained from several disciplines and hoped to extract organizing principles that would clarify the relationship between autonomic state and both mental and physical processes. Evolution as an organizing principle spontaneously emerged when I started to explore comparative neuroanatomy and comparative neurophysiology, especially as I studied the contrast in structure and function of the autonomic nervous system in reptiles and mammals. Suddenly, using evolution as an organizing principle, the disparate information became manageable and interpretable. The result was a narrative of adaptive change in which the vertebrate autonomic nervous system provided a descriptive link between the autonomic nervous system and species-specific behaviors. In its initial presentation, Polyvagal theory proposed the use of evolution as an organizing principle to weave a descriptive narrative of the vertebrate phylogenetic journey toward sociality and co-regulation. The journey documented a shift in the anatomical structure of the autonomic nervous system, and how these structural changes were involved in the biobehavioral features that support health and are behaviorally observed as sociality and co-regulation in humans and other social mammals. The intent was to use the strong scientific basis of the theory as a bridge to transform the broad mind-brain-body schisms in science and society. The result would be a more unifying perspective, one that incorporated an understanding of autonomic state as a neural platform that could support either sociality and feelings of safety or defensive strategies and feelings of threat.